Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here take a 2D sketch. Here we will select the XY plane and here take the rectangle command. Take 2-point rectangle. Make one rectangle profile here. Here we will take the horizontal constraint. Select the center point and here select the green point we will select. Now click on coincident, select the center and select the center. Now go to dimension. Here define this height as 50 mm and define this as 65 mm. Okay. Now here go to arc command, take center point arc. Select the center point, make one arc profile. Okay. Here go to dimension. Define this radius here as 30 mm. Escape. Now drag this outside and drag this also outside. Here we will take extend and select this line. Okay. Now escape. First select this line, make it construction. Now go to line command and make a joining line. Okay. Similarly one joining line we will make here and escape. Now here go to trim this profile, trim this profile, escape. Now here take the circle command. From the center point, make circle of diameter 22 and finish sketch. Take extrude command, select this profile. Here we will take symmetric and here the dimension will be of 50 mm extrude. Now press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch and here take the line command. Make one cutting profile here. Okay. Go to dimension. The angle here will be 110 mm. Oh, sorry, 110 degree. And define this. From this edge will be at 26 mm. Now escape. Here go to project this profile. Escape. Go to finish sketch. Take extrude, select this profile and here we will take direction 2. So this will become cut profile. Now here we will define the distance of 4 mm and press OK. Okay. Now the same cut we will require on other side also. So go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror plane, go to origin and here we are going to select the XY plane. Rotate the view. You can see the same profile will cut here and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view one more time. Okay. Now here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and here we'll make a cut profile. Okay. Go to part 5. Here you can see a cut profile has been created. So we are making this now. Go to part 2. Go to dimension. From this face, this will be at a distance of 15 mm. Okay. And here the length will be of 90 mm and the width will be of 30 mm. Take horizontal constraint. Select the center point and select the center. Finish sketch. Take extrude, here we will take cut and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Now press OK, go to home. Okay. Now here go to fillet command. We are going to take fillet radius of 2 mm and select this inner edge and here this inner edge. Okay. And press OK. Now here rotate the profile. Select this face, go to create sketch, take point command and place one point here. Finish sketch. Now we are going to use the hole command. So click on hole. Here we are going to take the counter bore sheet. This will be a through hole. The top dia here will be of 35 mm. The depth of cut here will select will be of 2 mm, and the bottom dia here will be of 20 mm. Okay, now press OK. So this will be the profile. Now here select this whole one, or first give the appearance to complete profile. We'll give it a blue wall paint glossy. Now select whole one. Okay, and define the appearance. From here we'll take the chrome polished. Okay, take chrome polished. Similarly select this face and select this face. Here we'll give the chrome polish finish. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.